So I'm going to show you guys a problem on the HP12C. Hopefully this will be very simple, easy couple problems for you. We'll do one on investments and one on mortgage. The first problem says I'm going to make $1 million investment. I'm going to get $200,000 a year for the next 5 years. Then I'm going to start getting $250,000 a year for the next 3 years. What is my internal rate of return? So let's solve that, okay? Clear registers. So first I'm going to put $1 million. Change sign, use the G key, CFO. Then I'm going to put $200,000 a year. CFJ for 5 years, so you do 5 NJ. And then I'm going to get $250,000 a year. CFJ for 3 years, 3 NJ. My internal rate of return is 13.66. Pretty dang good internal rate of return, I had to say. So that hopefully that was pretty simple. If it's too fast, you can kind of rewind it and look at it, but it's pretty simple keys. You just got to know to use a G key. The blue key is all the blue symbols on the bottom. There's a CFO, CFJ, and NJ. The yellow key is for the ones at the top where you have amortization interest, net present value, internal rate of return, and so forth. And so hopefully that was easy. Let's go on to the second problem. So the second problem says I got a $500,000 mortgage. I bought a house for, let's just $700,000, I put $200,000 down. Maybe it was like 23%, whatever, down, and I financed 500. 30-year loan, 5% interest, compounded monthly across the 30 years. What is the principal and interest that I paid after 10 years of that loan? And after 10 years, what is the principal that the present value of that after 10 years, meaning how much do I owe after 10 years? So let's get that started. So we know that the amount is, or the loan is $500,000. So you put present value for that. Then you know that it's 5% interest, compounded monthly. So it's blue key with interest, which automatically divides by 12 for you, and sets that as interest. It's a 30-year loan. And again, blue key with N, multiplies it for you for 30 years, compounded monthly. Find out what the payment is. It's $2,684.11 every month. That's just principal and interest. So obviously if you have insurance and taxes, you got to add on top of that. You're probably looking at, depending on which state you live, you're looking at a $3,500 mortgage. Okay. So from that, how much after 10 years, right? So let's just set the future value of 0. Let's reset the N to 0. And I'm going to say 10 years, enter 12 times. That's 120 months. Now, the reason why I didn't use a blue key for that is because it's the same key as amortization. So 120 months later, let's amortize that. That's $228,000 and $228,803.30 that I paid in interest. Press the XY key. That is the amount of principal that I paid towards that loan across 10 years. When I do recall present value, this is how much principal I owe on it. Now, if the test question asks you how much interest and principal did you pay on that 10th year, you'd have to do this for the 10-year, do it for the 9-year, subtract the difference between the two on the principal and interest, and you can get the numbers. Hopefully that was helpful for you, especially for your certified financial planning exam, where you are allowed to use the HP12C calculator. These are very important things to know, along with a lot of other type of questions they're going to ask you, and I'll be going through some of those hopefully in the future. I will have one on bond as well, so stay tuned. Thank you. Bye-bye.